Hi everyone, this is Teresa, and today we have a very special treatment. Today we're going to talk about hair loss. As you know, hair loss is a very disheartening condition that affects many women out there. It can lead to depression, low self-esteem, and many other things. Today, I'm going to show you how this treatment is done so you don't have to live this way. There's many options with stem cells that you can take. In this particular case, we're using a combination of exosomes and stem cell therapy. Stem cell therapy is powerful because mesenchymal stem cells can actually stimulate the hair follicle and support the local progenitor cell to grow stronger and healthier. The procedure itself is very simple, minimally invasive, and takes about 45 minutes. It's quick, safe, and effective, and we've seen great results for patients dealing with hair loss. It's not just about injecting you with stem cells. It's also knowing the root cause of the condition. For example, testing your hormones and some other approaches to always get a personalized approach for you.
Now I am injecting the exosomes and stem cells in the scalp. We are looking to support the hair follicle. Two more shots and we are done.
If you're struggling with hair loss and you're checking for some other options, please call me. I'll be more than happy to guide you every step of the way.